This is my second day of my 100 days of just trying to feel joy on a road trip with boyfriend, and when the beautiful place we stopped, I'm just gonna try to feel joy that the weather is amazing, my boyfriend's driving me, he's filming for me, and then I'm taken care of by the nature around me. Like, I'm safe here and I'm safe to just feel joy. Like, oh, okay, that was like 2 seconds. 2 seconds where I like dipped into the, oh, I'm completely safe and in joy. Okay, that's me. Now I gotta like, okay, like move the energy.